Installation of Rawlplug's innovative R-HLX induction-hardened concrete screws. When drilling the holes where we will install our screw, be sure to use an impact drill. The highest performance can only be achieved by properly cleaning the holes with a pump, at least 4 times. The additional cutting teeth ensures quick and easy installation, also in reinforced concrete and high-grade concrete. We use an impact spanner with a suitable impact socket to tighten. The innovative single thread provides less resistance when screwing, thus speeding up our work. Screwing is complete when the screw clearly presses the fastened component against the substrate. We can install the screws close to the edge of the concrete, as well as at short distances from each other. R-HLX is all about fast installation, flexibility, and the highest load capacity.